So just going to do a really quick video on how you set this first truss up if you've got a ladder end. Just two measurements you need. You need to know the size of your soffit that you're using and the size of your ladder end. So the ladder end is 585 there, and then soffit that we're using. The soffit we're using is 200 mil. So what you do with your tape, just hold your tape like that, and it's 200 mil there, like that, 200, and then 585, and the cross is on the inside like that. So that's your first truss. Truss is there, ladder's there, and your soffit's there. So you just need to know your soffit size and your ladder end size, and your truss just goes there. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Just setting up ladder ends. Is that one? Yeah. So now this ladder and truss is in, makes a little bit more sense. So that'll be the 200 soffit to there, and that's plumb with the brickwork. And then the length of the ladder, which is 585, is to there, and that's to the first truss. So you just need two measurements, soffit and ladder size, and then that set this up. But always just tack it in when you're bracing it, so you can adjust the ladder to plumb for the brickwork. And that's it.